Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can auto shut down your Windows. First of all, you're going to have to come below at the search bar, then type in task schedule. Type in task scheduler, then select enter. You'll see a page like this. Here under actions, select create basic task. As I do that, you will see a name right here. I'm going to name it Shutdown itself. Select next. Now select when do you want the task to start. If it's daily, weekly, whatever you would like, select next. Now start your date and also the time here. If you would like to make this recurring, go ahead, select 2 or 3. In my case, I would like to give it 1 day. Select next here. It says what action do you want the task to perform. Let me go ahead and simply select any of these. Select next. Now under program script, now here directly type in shutdown, all lowercase. Add arguments. You're gonna have to type in /s space /f space /t space 0. Once done, select next, then select finish. And as you do that, this is how you can auto shut down your PC. Thank you for watching.